Hey y'all. Okay, so this is a quick video to share some of the masks that I have, and I still, girl, I don't know what's wrong with this lipstick. Anyway, this is set one. It has 3 different ones in there. If I'm not mistaken, I have the picture somewhere. They in there. They on the website. And this is set 2. Set 3 has 3 different ones, and they're all reversible, meaning they have more than one pattern on the front and on the back. I got a happy face one in it too. And each picture is shown on the site. And yeah, I thought I dropped that in here. Check it out. Link below.